we have learned the different 5-digit numbers. Now let us see how can I expand this 5-digit number. What do we mean by expanding this number? Well, expansion of a number means writing the place values of the different digits of the number and adding them. So writing the place values of what? Place values of the different digits and adding them. So let us see how I can expand this. So this is the 5-digit number. Now this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. I need to write the place values of the different digits and add them. So I can start either from the right or from the left. I can start from anywhere. So first let me write the place value of 1. 1 is in the 10,000s place. So the place value of 1 is 1 into 10,000. Now what is the place value of 5? 5 is in the thousands place. So the place value of 5 is 5 into 1000. What is the place value of 4? 4 is in the hundreds place. So the place value is 4 into 100. What is the place value of 8? 8 is in the tens place. So the place value of 8 is 8 into 10. What is the place value of 9? 9 is in the ones place. So the place value of 9 is 9 into 1. Now I have written the place values of the different digits and I need to add them to get the expanded form of the number. So this becomes 1 into 10,000 is 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 is 5,000 plus 4 into 100 is 400 plus 8 into 10 is 80 plus 9 into 1 is 9. So this is the expanded form of the given 5-digit number. This is the expanded form of this number. Now I could also have written it the other way round. That is, I could have written it as 9 plus 80 plus 400 plus 5,000 plus 10,000. Even this is correct. So I can write the expanded form like this or like this. Both are correct. So what we have done is we have written the place values of the different digits and then added them. Now what is the place value of this number? So this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. So 6 is in the 10,000s place. The place value of 6 will be 6 into 10,000. That is 60,000. 5 is in the thousands place. So the place value of 5 will be 5 into 1000. That is 5,000. Once again 6 is there in the hundreds place. But this time the place value will be 6 into 100. That is 600. I have 2 in the tens place. So the place value will be 2 into 10. That is 20. And I have 1 in the ones place. So the place value will be 1 into 1. That is 1. So this is the expanded form of the given 5-digit number. This is the expanded form. Writing the place values and adding them. See, I have added the place values. Now this is another 5-digit number. So how can we write it in the expanded form? So first we write the place values. 3 into 10,000 is 30,000. 0 is there in the thousands place. 0 into 1000 is 0. So I have 0 here. 8 is in the hundreds place. So the place value of 8 is 800. That is 8 into 100. 0 is in the tens place. So the place value of 0 is 0 into 10. That is 0. 1 is in the ones place. So the place value is 1 into 1. That is 1. Now I have added all the place values. So this is the expanded form. Now I can also skip writing these zeros. So I can simply write it as 30,000 plus 800 plus 1. So I can also write the expanded form as this. Now what is the expanded form of this number? So this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So now can you tell me the expanded form of this number? So 9 is in the 10,000s place. So the place value is 90,000. 0 always has a place value of 0 because 0 into anything is 0. 0 once again in the hundreds place. So the place value is 0. 2 is in the tens place. So the place value is 20. And we once again have a 0 in the ones place with place value 0. So this is the expanded form. I can also write it as 90,000 plus 20. So this is actually the expanded form of this number. Now what if I want to go the other way around? That is, I have the expanded form of the number and I want to find the number from that. So this is the expanded form where I am adding all the place values. So I can simply add these to get the number. So I can add these to get the number. So there are so many zeros that I need to add and I have a 6. So I'll get a 6 here because 0 added to anything is the same number. Again I have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. So I get a 2 here. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 3 is 3 and I have 1 here. So this is my number 13526. That is 13,526. And this number has the expanded form this. So this is the simplified form of this. This is the expanded form of the number. This is the simplified form of the number or the original number. Now instead of adding these, I can simply write the number using the place values. How? Because this is the expanded form, it tells me how many 10,000s are there, how many thousands are there, how many hundreds are there, how many tens are there and how many ones are there. So simply by looking at that, I can write the number. So I have 10,000. So 10,000 means 1 into 10,000. So I'll have 1 in the 10,000s place. Then I have 3,000. So this means 3 into 1,000. So 3,000s means 3 is in the thousands place. Then I have 500 or 5 into 100. So I have 5 in the hundreds place. 20 means 2 into 10. So 2 tens, that is 2 is in the tens place. And I have a 6 here. That is 6 into 1. So I have 6 ones. That is 6 in the ones place. So simply by looking at the place values, I can get my number. Now what is the simplified form of this number? I have 40,000. So 10,000s place 40,000. So 4 into 10,000 will give me 40,000. This means I have 4 in the 10,000s place. Then there is no thousands. There are no thousands. After the 10,000s place, I have thousands place. But there are no thousands, which means 0 thousands. Then I have 900. So in the hundreds place, I will have 9 hundreds. Then I have 30. So in the tens place, I'll have 3. 30 is 3 tens. And I have 7. So 7 into 1 is 7. So I have 7 ones. So this is the number 40937. So you see, there is a 0 in the thousands place because there is no term representing the thousands. There are no thousands. That means 0 thousands. Now what is the simplified form of this number? So I have 50,000. So 5 is in the 10,000s place. Now I can see there is no term for thousands. So there are 0 thousands. Then I have 800. So 8 is there in the hundreds place. Then after the hundreds place I have tens. But there are no tens or 0 tens. There are no ones or 0 ones. So this is the number 50800. 50,800 is the number. So this is the simplified form of this number. So given any 5-digit number, we can write the expanded form by writing the place values of different digits and adding them. And this is how we write the expanded form. And this is the simplified form of the number. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.